Hi there. This is a quick tutorial on how to load discounted tickets on your box office event. Once logged into your profile, select the event you want to add a discounted ticket offer to. At the top right corner of the page, select Edit Event. Scroll down to Ticket Types, in which you'll see a button that allows you to add a ticket.
On this menu, you will now provide information on the ticket, including the name of the ticket, the number of tickets available, and the price of the ticket at its discounted rate.
Click on Show Advanced Settings, and in this dropdown, you will now configure the timeline in which you would like to run your discounted offer. In here, you will set the date and time in which you will begin your discounted offer, as well as when the offer will expire.
This will give you peace of mind knowing that the timeline of this offer is automated to end at the date you specify.
Once this is complete, scroll up and click Save. Your discount is loaded and ready to go according to the parameters you set.
Once this is complete, you are now all set to watch the magic happen.